Planning a custom route in Google Maps on Android is a simple way to make sure your journey follows the exact roads and stops you prefer. Whether you're running errands, planning a road trip, or avoiding unfamiliar routes, Google Maps gives you flexibility to personalize your directions. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your Android device. In the search bar, enter your final destination and tap Directions. Google Maps will automatically generate the fastest suggested route from your current location or chosen starting point. If you want to include additional places along the way, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen and select Add Stop. You can add up to 10 stops to a single trip. This feature is especially useful for multi-destination journeys such as visiting friends, stopping at restaurants, or completing deliveries. Need to travel along a particular road? Simply add a point on that road as one of your stops, even if you don't intend to leave your vehicle there. This trick allows you to guide Google Maps toward your preferred route instead of relying entirely on its automatic suggestions. To organize your trip efficiently, tap and hold the two-line handle beside any destination. Drag and drop each stop into your desired order until the route matches your travel plans. Once everything looks right, you can save time in the future by tapping the three-dot menu again and choosing Add Route to Home Screen. This creates a convenient shortcut on your Android home screen, allowing you to access your customized route with a single tap whenever you're ready to hit the road.